In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly transfer Temu credits to another account. Now, it's important to note right off the bat that a direct transfer of Temu credits to another account isn't possible. The platform restricts this due to security measures and to prevent misuse. So there's no straightforward in-app feature that allows you to send credits to someone else or even to another account in your name. However, there are ways around this limitation, and we're going to walk through what you can do to navigate this. One practical suggestion that some users find helpful is to utilize coupon codes or promotional offers. Essentially, these are linked to your account and can sometimes be shared for another account to benefit from discounts. However, this method is contingent on you having suitable coupon offers available, and, crucially, it's not an actual transfer of credits, more a creative workaround utilizing the system's existing promotional tools. Now, if you're looking for more clarity or potential solutions tailored to your specific situation, reaching out to Temu support might be your best course of action. They can provide definitive guidance or possibly offer alternative solutions. Let's go through the steps on how you can contact them directly. First, you'll need to open the Temu app. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the bottom of the screen for the user icon. Clicking on this will take you to your account page. From here, you want to find the headphone icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of this page. This icon is your gateway to customer support. After clicking the headphone icon, take a moment to scroll down the menu that appears. What you're looking for is the Contact Us button. Selecting this will offer you the option to directly communicate with Temu support, where you can discuss your query regarding credit transfers. While this might seem like a lengthy process, remember that direct customer support is often the most reliable way to get help specific to your account and needs. They will have the latest information about any changes in policy, possible alternatives for your situation, and they might even come up with new suggestions. In summary, while transferring credits directly isn't possible today, leveraging promotion codes or reaching out for personalized support offers viable pathways. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for managing your Temu credits in the most effective way available.